Why, hello there, my friends. What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to make a quick little video here, a little tutorial of sorts for some of you guys who are tech inclined or non-tech inclined. Sometimes we make videos and they're a little big, a little bit too big on gigabytes, and sometimes I record some podcasts with people and the file size comes to like 4 gigs, 5 gigs, and if you're kind of not a big fan of having huge file types, aka the developers of Call of Duty are big fans of that, but I digress. There is a free program you can use called VLC Media Player, which I have on screen right now. VLC Media Player is essentially what the name suggests. It's a video player, but you could also use it to convert file types. You can also use it to convert file types to different stuff, and you can also use it to compress some video and make the video smaller, right? Smaller in size, from like 8 to 6 gigabytes or 6 to 4, stuff like that. So as an example on screen, I will show you a video we have here called the domain podcast. Now, if we go to properties real quick, we have 4.12 gigabytes as the file size for this file. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to be able to shorten that by a substantial amount. As Ace Ventura would say, not my best Ace Ventura impression, but I try. So what we're going to do here is very simple. You go to VLC Media Player, have that open, go to convert/save. Apparently you can stream with it too, I just saw that. Now you see here, this is where you want to add your file type. So go to add. Go to your desktop. We get the filmed and made podcast MP4, and we go to convert/save. Now, I already have this preset, but if you don't have it, it usually will be stuck on H.264. So I'll move that down to not Android, Video for YouTube HD, right there. And these are the presets you should have for that. So remember those, audio codec, I don't know. You can keep it on MP3, or if you want to get crazy, you want to go to FLAC, but not today. We're going to go with what we have on screen. Now, this is just, very quickly. You can probably customize it to more of your heart's desire, but this is just if you need to quickly compress something, convert it and get a smaller file type. This should work in dandy for you. All right, destination file. Go to browse desktop. Go to podcast converted small compressed, and donezo. Now we press start, and it will be compressing the video, guys, and via the magic of editing I will fast forward and we will get to the part where it has been edited. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, via the power of the internet and video editing, we have finished. It took a little longer than I expected, but kind of freed up the task processes happening, and it went along a little bit quicker. So VLC's done. Let's close that, and let's show you what we got. So on the left-hand side, we have the original file size, which I believe is 4 gigabytes. What did I do? Oh, there we go. 4.12 gigabytes, as you see there. That's the original one, and here is the new one, which is at a 1 gigabyte. It's only 1 gigabyte, so it's 3 gigabytes smaller than the original file. Now, keep in mind, you will be losing some audio and video, as you could say, video and audio quality. This is compression. That's what compression does to your video. It degrades the quality a little bit in order for the compression to happen, so you can get a smaller file size type. But I think it's an acceptable trade-off for the amount of storage you save. And on screen here, you're going to see a little bit of what I was compressing, a podcast video. Now, granted, this one doesn't have any moving images as much as a Call of Duty video or something with commentary would have, so this really works a lot better with still images and stuff, or just like audio recordings in the background. Like let's say you record a podcast and you wanted to upload it to YouTube, or just, and there it is on screen right there. We have the converted video. You might hear some voices in the background, but that's about it. It's a still image, so not really that much hidden quality when it comes to stuff like this. But if it was like a gameplay like I brought up earlier, probably you'll notice it a little bit more. But yeah, that's basically how to do it, very quickly, very easily, very basic stuff without moving too many, attributes or options and stuff like that of that sort. And that's about it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. And before we leave, I just want to say, if you want to do this process, I'm pretty sure there's other programs you can use also. But just for ease of simplicity, and because the tutorial does say VLC Media Player, I highly suggest you get the VLC Media Player on the internet. It's a free program you can get, just like Audacity, and it comes in really handy too with different file types for conversion, recording stuff too, I believe, and there's also a streaming tab on there somewhere. So I personally have not tried that out, but that might come in handy for you. I really recommend you get it. Think of it as a Windows media player on a slight cocaine binge, I guess you could say. I have other videos in the works, guys. I just recently did a tech review video of the Blue G5, or in the United States, the Blue Studio Mini 5.5 LTE. Go check that out, please. It's been a sleeper hit for my channel. We're at, I believe, 900 views on that video, which is pretty decent for what I usually do. And Blue, hit me up, send me more phones, and maybe I can get my hands on the Blue G9 Plus. But yeah, definitely go check that video out, guys. And also, if the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, a comment, and if you like the content here on the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. It's free, doesn't cost you a penny, and you don't need to state that in your tax return. So there you go. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching once again. Also, the video I was compressing today happens to be the Film Squad podcast. We do a podcast on Game Domain on the Film Domain channel. I highly suggest you go check that out. I have been managing the Film Domain channel for a little bit, and I do help manage some parts of Game Domain. So go check out Game Domain 2 if you want to see some of our other work, and go check out Film Domain 2 if you want to see some of our other stuff regarding films. And more than likely, you'll see some of my work on there as well. Everybody, thank you for watching, and as always, I'll catch you guys later.